has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Utah at 4:02 p.m. on APR 3rd, 2025, effective until 9:02 p.m. This is a non-family abduction. The first suspect is identified as Test. He is 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing 160 pounds. He has brown hair and brown eyes and tattoo on left arm. He was last seen wearing black sweatshirt and black sweatpants. The first child abduction victim is identified by police as Test. He is 5 and was wearing white t-shirt and jeans. He has blonde or strawberry hair and green eyes. He is 3 feet 3 inches tall, weighing about 40 pounds. The abduction happened at Test location. The suspect was driving a white 2025 Honda Civic with license plate AAA111. If you have any information, please call police at 111 or simply dial 911.